Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says, which among the following will have the highest biological oxygen demand? Option A, pure water with no pollutants. Option B, polluted water with 20 grams of organic matter. Option C, polluted water with 100 grams of organic matter. Option D, polluted air dust particles. So let us understand the question. It says, which among the following will have highest biological oxygen demand? Okay, so which among these will be having highest biological demand? Now, highest biological demand they are saying, so that means they are actually talking about the short form of biological oxygen demand is known as BOD. Okay, so what is BOD? That is biological oxygen demand. So how can we define it? Biological oxygen demand, as the name says, okay, oxygen demand. That means something is requiring oxygen, right? So that is nothing but the amount of oxygen required by or required for the complete degradation degradation of organic matter in 1 liter organic matter in 1 liter of water So that is what is biological oxygen demand. So that means here the oxygen is required to degrade what? To degrade the organic matter which is present in 1 liter of water. So that is taken as the standard. Okay. Now, why are we talking about BOD? BOD, as I said, biological oxygen demand. This tells us the level of pollution. The level of pollution in water. Okay. So pollution, we are talking about the organic pollution. Okay. So organic waste, the amount of organic waste. So you can say that if we consider this organic matter as the pollutant, then we can say higher the organic matter, higher will be BOD. Okay. So that is, you can say that the pollutant is directly proportional to what? The BOD. Higher the organic matter, that is higher the pollutant in water, higher will be BOD. That means it will require more amount of oxygen. So the microbes which actually demand or need high amount of BOD, what will they do? They actually remove, or you can say they actually finish all the oxygen, or you can say reduce the oxygen. They actually reduce the oxygen level, dissolved oxygen level, you can say. Dissolved oxygen level in water. Okay. So because of that, what will happen? The aquatic plants and animals will not get enough oxygen to survive. Okay. So that is why we to check before we let out the sewage waste into water bodies, we have to check for BOD. If the BOD is high, then it should not be let into water bodies, because if it is let into water bodies just like that without any treatment, then the microbes in the water body, they may start using up the organic matter, and they will, of course, they will start using up the oxygen as well, and that will affect the aquatic plants and animals. So here you understood that higher the pollutant, that is organic matter pollutant, then higher will be the BOD. So let us see. Option A says pure water with no pollutant. So if it doesn't have any pollutant, then of course it will not have much of BOD, right? Hence this is ruled out. Option B says polluted water with 20 grams of organic matter. So of course it might need, like it might have little amount of BOD. Okay, the level of BOD might be there because 20 grams of organic matter is there. That means the microbes would require oxygen. Okay, then but let us see the other option also. Option C is polluted water with 100 grams of organic matter. So of course, comparatively B and C, if you see here it is 20 gram and here it is 100 grams. So this will have more, or this will have more BOD because 100 grams of organic matter is there, which is comparatively much higher, 5 times higher than the option B. Hence, this should be the answer, whereas this we have to discard. But let us see option D also. Option D says polluted air dust particles. So first of all, we consider BOD with respect to water. Okay, hence it is totally ruled out. Okay, and option C says polluted water with 100 grams of organic matter. So that shows highest level of organic matter. Hence, there will be highest level of BOD comparatively. Okay, so which is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. So let us conclude. The answer is option C. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.